This is Bx6 to Washington Heights Riverside Drive. A fare is required to ride. This stop is Food Center Drive and Terminal. Next stop, Halleck Street and Food Center Drive. Transfer available to Bx6 SBS. This stop is Halleck Street and Food Center Drive. Next stop, Halleck Street and Spofford Avenue. This stop is Halleck Street and Spofford Avenue. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Spofford Avenue. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and Spofford Avenue. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Fail Street. Transfer available to Bx6 SBS. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and Fail Street. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Seneca Avenue. Transfer available to Bx6 SBS. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and Seneca Avenue. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and East 163rd Street. Transfers available to the 6th train, Bx5 and Bx19. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and East 163rd Street. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Simpson Street. This stop is East 163rd Street and Simpson Street. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Kelly Street. Transfers available to the 2 and 5 trains in Bx6 SBS. This stop is East 163rd Street and Kelly Street. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Westchester Avenue. Transfer available to Bx4. This stop is East 163rd Street and Westchester Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Prospect Avenue. Transfer available to Bx17. This stop is East 163rd Street and Prospect Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Tinton Avenue. This stop is East 163rd Street and Tinton Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Trinity Avenue. This stop is East 163rd Street and Trinity Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and 3rd Avenue. Transfers available to Bx6 SBS, Bx15 and Bx21. This stop is East 163rd Street and 3rd Avenue. Next stop, Elton Avenue and East 161st Street. This stop is Elton Avenue and East 161st Street. Next stop, East 161st Street and Melrose Avenue. Transfers available to Metro North, Bx41 and Bx41 SBS. This stop is East 161st Street and Melrose Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and Morris Avenue. Transfer available to Bx32. This stop is East 161st Street and Morris Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and Sherman Avenue. This stop is East 161st Street and Sherman Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and River Avenue. Transfers available to the 4 B&D trains in Bx13. This stop is East 161st Street and River Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and McCombs Dam Bridge. This stop is East 161st Street and McCombs Dam Bridge. Next stop, West 155th Street and Edgecombe Avenue. Transfers available to the C Train and M2 Limited. This stop is West 155th Street and Edgecombe Avenue. Next stop, West 155th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Transfers available to Bx6 SBS, M3, M100 and M101 Limited. This stop is West 155th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Next stop, West 155th Street and Broadway. Transfers available to M4 and M5. This stop is West 155th Street and Broadway. Next stop, West 157th Street and Edward M. Morgan Place. Transfers available to the 1 train, Bx6 SBS, M4 and M5. This stop is West 157th Street and Edward M. Morgan Place. Next stop, Riverside Drive and West 156th Street. This stop is Riverside Drive and West 156th Street. Next stop, Riverside Drive West and 15710 Riverside Drive. Transfer available to Bx6 SBS. This stop is Riverside Drive West and 15710 Riverside Drive. This is Bx6 to Washington Heights Riverside Drive. A fare is required to ride.